I don't need to prove who I am if I haven't committed a crime.
Is he carrying that camera around just for the opportunity? Sarge!
No. I'm a YouTuber, so I always have my camera on me.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're not on probation, right?
I don't answer any questions, and I'm not. Honestly, I'm not.
It's like if you were on probation.
If I was on probation, I would be the guy you're looking for. I'd be the guy you're looking for. But I'm not. And I have to tell you if I am.
No, you don't.
What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. And today I'm highlighting a video from this channel, 714 Transparency, who you will see get hemmed up by these tyrannical officers but defends himself rightfully. One of the best ID refusals I've seen in a while. I know you guys are gonna love this one. These cops here in this video come off as extremely rude and unprofessional, but then get sent on their way and not violating this man's rights. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. As always, the original video and channel link will be down below in the description. Don't forget to tune in to 714 Transparency and let them know I sent you. Thank you guys, and I'll see you at the end of the video.
But I'm not. And I have to tell you if I am.
No, you don't. We have people lying all the time. So this guy's refusing to provide any type of identification, even say what he's doing in the area. He's recording.
I'm in public.
Watching us.
So why do I have to tell him who I am?
The dude it could possibly be. I just show identification.
Yeah, we're on a search looking for this guy, and you look very similar to him.
Do I fit his description? I'm not on parole or probation.
Okay.
You look exactly like the dude.
Oh, do I?
Already, not one of these guys have stated the law or traffic infraction being broken, yet just stated their feelings for IDing this man, which should be none and is very wrong. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever had to deal with this type of situation yourself. And to top off their unprofessionalism, you guys are gonna see this officer in particular start to cuss at him, as well as even mention his children. This will not be the first time an officer has done this. This is why it's important to always record the police and know your rights, especially coming across some officers like these. Again, leave your guys' thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below, and let me know what you guys think. Keep watching.
Yes.
Well, I'm not him.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm in public.
I understand. We're here looking for somebody who looks like similar to you.
Okay.
That's all.
I'm in public. Do I have to identify if I'm in public?
Well, we think you might be him. That's
Do
what
I
I'm
have to
trying say.
identify if I'm in public?
If we think
Did
if you're him, yes.
Did I commit a right? So I'm not him.
If we
So I don't-
wanted
deal, man. It's not
to,
a
if
big
we
deal.
wanted to
I know,
press
man.
the issue, we could put you in the back of the car till we figure out who we are. If that's the route you wanted to go, we're not gonna be dicks today.
It's not
Look,
a big deal, man.
look. I know it's not a big deal, but this guy is
Yeah, you're
harassing
asking for
me.
ID, that's all.
You're making it a big deal.
You could only have to let us.
You can
you
ask
have to
for
let us
it.
hold it. Just let us see it, so it's not the guy we're looking for.
If I'm gonna be threatened to be arrested, I will show it to you. How about that?
Being threatened, I'm giving you
No, just
the ability.
Just hold it up and show us.
I don't
who
need to
we're looking
identify. I haven't been suspected of a crime.
for. No, we are suspecting that you're the guy.
What crime? What crime do you suspect me of
The guy
committing?
we're looking for. That's
No,
we're
no.
trying to
What
say.
what
to do a
crime?
probation check for the guy.
I'm not on probation
And how do we know that?
because I'm telling you that.
We have people lie to us every single day.
I'm not people.
So
Okay.
all he's doing,
Okay.
we don't have to have possession of your ID. Just hold it up.
I know I don't have to identify to you. I could be walking down the street. I don't have to
But you're
identify
just
to you.
Being a good citizen, let us know so we can be on our way.
Yeah, man.
I have nothing to do with this. I'm just driving by. I saw you guys
Okay. Fair
cruising
enough.
by. I'm like, what are they
You got
doing?
You have car seats. You have kids.
Yes, I have
You're
children.
an outstanding role model for your kids, man.
I'm
I feel
a
bad for
licensed
your
real estate
children.
agent.
just asking.
Okay.
Okay.
So I have
Bad for your
kids.
It's real simple.
children.
Most people just say, okay, I'm
It's
not him,
simple.
look.
I know, but
That's
I don't need to, sir.
it. Okay.
Okay.
You know the rule. That's why you
That
guys
way.
can't do anything because I didn't do anything wrong.
Well, if we were sure you were him, we would do something right now.
Okay,
We're not 100%
if you
sure.
guys threaten me
We're
to
not
that
100%
I'm gonna be
sure.
arrested, I would go for it, and you guys can arrest me, and I can file a lawsuit.
What kind of you?
So he's just
No,
looking.
no, I don't have to tell you
He's just
anything.
looking for a
I
lawsuit.
don't answer questions.
He's just looking for a hot lawsuit.
No, I'm not.
Looking for a lawsuit.
You're not even.
I'm not.
Have a
All
good day.
right, little guy.
All right, big guy.
It amazes me that the officer tells him that he's just looking for a lawsuit, but it's not surprising. Once again, make sure you guys head on over to 714 Transparency. Make sure you let him know SJVT sent you. The links will be down below in the description. Hit the subscribe and bell notification for future videos. Leave your guys' thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.